today we have the lovely Chef Jasmine with us and her lovely assistant Natalie, and we are going to learn how to cook some crepes. Jasmine, get your cute butt over here and show us how to make some crepes.
Alright!
What do you need for said crepes?
Well, first off, we're gonna put in a large bowl, we're gonna whisk together 2 eggs, 1 and 1/4 cups of water, and 1 cup of crepe mix. So far, that's what we got.
We need 2 eggs.
1 and 1/4 cups of water.
On my first try. Would you like to crack the eggs in there for me?
Sure. We also are going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want, you don't have to.
I think I want to.
Do you want to? No problem. No problem. Not a problem. And then we're also gonna need 1 cup of crepe mix.
That's okay. Overhearing Chef Lynn, it's okay to get a little bit messy. We just Mamma Mia it. It's all good. I have a feeling that this crepe mix is going to take us on a trip to Flavor Town. Am I
You really
right?
think so?
Am I right?
You really think so? I think so too.
Oh, great.
I think so too.
Flavor Town's my favorite place to go.
Is it really? Tell me about Flavor Town, will ya?
You get the feeling is that, where am I? And then you're like, oh wait, I'm in Flavor Town. Alright! Let's get started on these crepes.
Alright! And then we need to stir it all together until a smooth
Smooth? Do you want it to be smooth?
smooth batter is formed. And then add 2 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter. Look at that batter!
Wow, let me get a close up.
Woo!
Whoa, look at that.
Gotta keep whisking that!
Smooth. Make it smooth.
Spoon.
Smooth like Guy Fieri's goatee.
Oh. Would you look at that?
Is it melted and smooth?
Not melted.
Damn. Oh. You want to stick that butter in the freezer for me so we can get it cooled a lot quicker?
Sure.
So we can
Definitely.
save time.
Would you look at that? There's nowhere to put the butter. Something else I noticed about how to make crepes is that we have to use a skillet
Mm-hmm.
and butter that up. But you can't caramelize the butter because then it would taste bad. Okay, so we're just going to... Eating, Chef Jasmine, would you like anything to drink or eat or anything?
No, I just want to take the time out of the day to introduce you to one of my culinary assistants. She's one of my top assistants in my kitchen. Chef Natalie, would you like to come around and introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm Natalie. You know, I make food and stuff with Chef Jasmine, my mother.
Mm-hmm. I'm actually her mom.
Yeah, that's all. That's it.
Isn't that nepotism or something? French?
Actually, no.
What are you? You're fake, that's what you are. Let's see if that butter's done.
Whoa!
Guy, let's take a step over here for just one second. She's been experimenting with crepes for quite some time now.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm very proud of her. So I just want to take this time to give her the experience she really needs.
Is this an experience you really need?
Yes, sir.
All right. Throw me in breadcrumbs and take me to Flavor Town. I am so excited for these crepes.
What does Guy Fieri think of our crepes?
They smell burnt. See, I like to live my life a little bit more on the edge. We'll just go all for it today. I don't understand how half of it can be burnt and the other half is undercooked.
Well, my name is Guy Fieri, and that's a wrap on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. See you next time!
I cooked some crepes. Don't even try.
Thanks.
Honestly, it's hard dealing with the super fans like that. They get so attached.